Hey, John Crestani here, affiliate marketer, tech entrepreneur, all sorts of stuff, digital nomad, kite surfer, etc. And I'm gonna be talking about how much commission you earn in affiliate marketing. But first off, for those of you who do not know what affiliate marketing is yet, affiliate marketing is a $15 billion per year industry that is growing over 10% every single year. 80% of all people advertising, of all companies advertising on the internet, use affiliate marketing as an important channel to get sales to their business. And what affiliate marketing is essentially just a referral program. It's when you refer customers to another company. Now, you may have noticed when you sign into Uber or Airbnb or other popular apps, it says, hey, share this with a friend and earn money. That's what affiliate marketing is. It's when you share a link with a friend and you earn money for making that referral. And it's growing very fast. And it's a great place to get started if you are an independent marketer, if you are looking to start a business without owning a company or without spending any money. It's a great way to make money. So let's get into how much commission you can earn actually doing affiliate marketing. Now, I've separated affiliate marketing into three different categories, and I'll explain these three different categories in just a second here. The first one is business to business. It means when you're selling a software product or when you're selling something that businesses will use. Examples of programs in business to business include web hosting. I'm an affiliate for web hosting companies. It includes software, investments, etc. So all sorts of different categories, and generally speaking, the amount you make per sale is about 1 to 10% of the actual product being sold. Now, the next category is CPG, which stands for consumer product goods. Consumer goods, anything sold on Amazon. So for instance, if you join Amazon's affiliate program, you will make 5% of anything anybody buys on Amazon. If somebody clicks your link to go to Amazon and they buy stuff, let's say they spend $100 in total, you earn $5. Now, if you can get 100 people doing that, let's say you have a popular blog or a YouTube channel, you'll earn $500. There's no upper limit to this, and there's a lot of people advertising on Amazon. Now, the next category is what I call digital. So info products that are completely digital, such as my training course. I have a 6-week training course on how to do affiliate marketing with paid advertising. And that course, we have a lot of support. We have a certification program now. We have so many successful students. You can actually check out on my homepage. We have tons of success stories, people making thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars a year who've gone through my program and are doing affiliate marketing. And we also have a lot of great students that are just posting every day on this channel about their success doing affiliate marketing. Most digital products offer anywhere between 25 to 75% commission, again, because digital products cost $0 to deliver. So they offer more commissions when you get a sale. So as we see here, the least amount of money generally comes from business to business products. There's more commissions that come from consumer goods, and consumer goods can be anything. My buddy runs a company called Snow Teeth Whitening. If you purchase a teeth whitening product, or if you are an affiliate for his company, you earn $100 every time somebody gets a sale. Now, on average, if we were to average out the commissions, consumer product goods, generally speaking, you're making between $25 to $50 in commissions per sale. And that actually goes the same for digital. Generally speaking, you're earning, I think it's actually the same for business to business, you're earning about $25 to $50 per sale. So every customer you get, generally speaking, you're getting about $25 to $50 per sale. That's what most programs, they offer something in that range. Woo! So I hope you learned a little bit about affiliate marketing, what the average commissions were, how much money you can expect to make. Now, the most aggressive area that I've seen and the best place to do affiliate marketing is digital. Digital products, lead generation, stuff where you're dealing with information, because you can get much more aggressive on commissions there. If you can sell digital products, you can sell anything. So this is a great place to be. It's a great place to earn money, and there's better commissions than the measly 5% that Amazon gives you. So check that out. And if you're looking for some affiliate networks to join, I have links in the description for a bunch of affiliate networks you can get started with. Also, if you're looking for ways you can get your affiliate link out there and start doing affiliate marketing, check out my videos. I have other videos on how to get started with affiliate marketing. I also have a whole playlist on how you can get free traffic to your affiliate links without doing advertising whatsoever. Check those things out. Hope you enjoy them. Hope you enjoy learning about them. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to do this more often. If you're doing affiliate marketing, say, I'm doing it. If you have any questions, make sure to post them in the comments below and make sure they're smart questions. If you ask a question that you can find through Google, you're banned. Okay? There's no freedom of speech on my channel. But if you're looking to interact with people other than me, because I get about 1 million questions a day, is make sure to join our communities. I have a Discord so you can chat with other people, help each other out. You can also interact with people on our Facebook group as well as my subreddit. So we have a subreddit, which is kind of like a forum. So you can message people and chat with people and post topics and see articles. There's a lot of activity in all of those. So I look forward to everyone helping each other out. I'm trying to build a community. I want everybody helping each other out. I'm one person. Don't message me. Don't ask for my email. Don't ask for my phone number and try to pitch me on why I should be your mentor. Not going to be your freaking mentor. You can learn, you can work with other people. There's lots of people out there learning and doing this stuff successfully. So check it out, join our communities, subscribe to this channel, and look forward to seeing you in my other videos. Talk to you soon.